Come on, good morning, guys. How are we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good to see you guys again this morning. How many of you are excited? Good morning, everyone. Please, once you join, let's know your name and where you are joining us from, okay? Let's get your name and where you're joining us from, okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Once you join us, let's know your name and where you are joining us from, okay? Can you guys hear me? Can you see me? Are you sure we're live already? Okay, I can see some of you joining. Okay, amazing. Okay, I think we're live. Yeah, good. So please, once you join, let's know your name and where you're joining us from, and let every other person on your contact know that we are live. Okay, we're about to make money. Once you join us, let's know your name and where you are joining us from, so we can dive straight into the charts and let's make some cool cash. Okay. I don't know why my network is this terrible, man. Let's know your name and where you are joining us from. Yeah, good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. In 5 minutes, we'll be diving right into the charts so that we can make today count again. It has been an awesome. The past 4 days has been back to back to back to back profits. For those of you that are on the our communities, our groups, Telegram, everywhere, we've been loading some big cash into the bag. So today will not be any different. So make sure you're ready, okay? So once you join, let's share the link with as many people as possible. One of my mentors will say, share the link 50 times. So share the link 50 times. Okay, please. If you know anybody that should be here, that is yet to be here, let them know that we've started, guys. Let them know that we are here. Let them know that we have started, okay? Let them know. Let them know. Let them know that we have started. Let's go make some money. Let's go make cool cash. Oh, let them know. Let them know. Let them know that we have started. It is time to make some cool money. All right, good to see everyone. Good to see everyone. Once you join, please share the link. That's the first thing to do. Once you join, share with other people. Let them know that we are live. We're about to start cashing out now. Like, we are about to start cashing out. All right, so shout out to everyone. Can you guys hear me? Hope my voice is loud and clear, right? Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me loud and clear, please let me know that you can hear me. Let me know that you can hear me. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me know. Let me know. Let me know that you can hear me, okay? All right, shout out to everyone. Ben Tabe from Dubai. Good to see you. Ike Chukwu KC from Nigeria. Good to see you. Peter Omukbe from Benin City. Ike Favor from Port Harcourt. Matthew Akinyemi. Good morning to you too. Rock Capsules. Good to see you. Ike Chukwu from Aba. I grew up in Aba. I hope you guys know. So good to see you, Ike Chukwu from Aba City. JO Universe, good to see you from Reunion Islands. Rock Capsules, yeah, do it again. Yeah. Time to do it again. Elkana the Trader, good to see you. Good to know you guys can hear me. So amazing, 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 amazing. Please make sure you're sharing the link, guys. Make sure you're sharing the link. Make sure you're sharing the link. Let everybody know that we are live in the next 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes, we'll be diving into the charts. Let's go make some cool bucks today again. Let's go make some cool money again. So if you know anybody that should be here, that is yet to be here, let them know. 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 Let them know that we are ready to cash out big time. Okay. Yup. Good to see Oshios Baba. Good to see you. Nyak no 18. Good to see you. Ike Chuku. Good. Rock capsule from Abuja. Good to see you guys. Okay, good to see you guys. So again, we're going to be making money. How many of you have been enjoying the live signals on our so far? It's been amazing. For some of you that are on our WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, how many of you have been having a good time? Cashing out. So over the past 3 days, I've shared maybe 6-7 signals, and all of them on profit. Every single one of them has been amazing. This morning we closed out on 2 signals again this morning. So if you've missed that, if you've not been using our signals, trust me, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And our advice that as soon as possible, you should start making use of our signals. Let's make money together. Okay. Wow, somebody said I've made over $2,000 from the signal. Wow, this is crazy, man. You guys are cashing out big time. $2,000 currently is like maybe 3.3 million naira thereabouts. Man, that's a lot of money, man. Cheers, man. Good to hear you guys are cashing out too. All right, so who else took the signals? Yesterday's signal and today's signals. If you took the signals, any of the signals, let me know. Any of the signals this week, if you've taken any of them at all, please let me know. Let's celebrate with you, okay? Let's celebrate with you. We're just buying a little bit of time. 2 minutes. In exactly 2 minutes, we'll be going straight into the chat. We're just waiting for more people to join so that we can move straight into the chat. Let's go make money. We have 27 people. We need to have at least 50 people here. So if you know somebody that should be here that is not yet here, please send them this link. Share this link. There are 2 things I needed to do in this video. Number 1 is to give this video a thumbs up, and number 2 is to share the video. Number 1, give the video a thumbs up, and number 2, share the video. Okay, that's the only thing. You're not going to be paying for the signals. You're not going to be paying for what you'll be learning today, because you guys know, aside trying to give you guys signals and setups, I try my best to teach you guys how to also make money in Forex and how to make money generally. Okay, because I'm a proponent of the fact that you can make money with anything at all, provided you have the right skill set and the right mindset. So beyond the skill set, I try to imbibe you guys with the mindset also. So you're not going to be paying for anything I'll be teaching you for here. It's totally free. The only payment you can make here is to like the video and subscribe to the channel and also share the video. That's all right. It's been great. AUD, wow. Paul said AUD USD gave me $85 today. Man, Amarachi Chukwu said I took it and I'm so grateful. Yeah. Good to hear. All right. Amazing. So we are 1 minute away. We're diving right into the charts shortly. Now, before we go into the chart, as you guys know, I usually give you 3 disclaimers. Number 1 is on this channel, our win rate is 75%. That means that 75% of the time we are correct, but that also means that 25% of the time we might not be correct, and the signals might not go profitably. But that doesn't mean that we, on the long run, on playing the long-term game, definitely we are always profitable on this channel. And you guys can go do the back test for yourself, all the live sessions, all the analysis, weekly analysis, everything is still on this channel. So you can go check them out, back test them on the chart, and you can see for yourself that 75% of the time we are profitable. Now, number 2 disclaimer is that during the time that we'll be doing this live in the next maybe 50 minutes, I we analyze a lot of charts for you, so you should enter the charts that you're most comfortable with, because I know some of you already have some knowledge about Forex, and for some of you this is probably maybe just a review of what you already know, or maybe a touch in a finishing touch on your strategies, and also take the entries that are most comfortable with you. Okay, and number 3 disclaimer is, do not risk all your money. Okay, do not risk all your money in one single trade. Okay, once I analyze the signal, make sure you're not risking all your money. Be careful to enter with just as much as you're willing to lose if things go sideways. Okay, so that's it for the disclaimers. I think we're done with that. Let's now dive into the charts. Let's go make some money. Okay, all right, so okay, good. So let's dive into the charts now. Let's go make some money. Disclaimers all done. So make sure you've shared this video. Okay, share the video, please. Share the video. Right, I told you guys we're very intentional about building our community this year. As you can see, wow, we're at 8,650 subscribers now. Man, that's crazy. 8,650 subscribers. I mean, thank you guys for all subscribing. Hopefully, I'm very hopeful, and I'm very confident that this year will probably hit 50,000 subscribers. That's the goal for the year. So thank you guys for always subscribing. Thank you guys for giving the video a thumbs up. So the chart is loading now. The chart is loading. Okay, so this was the signal I gave you guys yesterday. I mean, the signal is on fire. The signal is signaling. We were able to make 1 is to the take profit was at 1:6, but the trade ended up doing 1 is to what? This is 1 is to 2.5. Amazing, right? Okay, so let's start analysis with Euro GBP. Euro GBP is another currency pair I gave you guys signal, but unfortunately this trade did not trigger. This was the signal. Oh God, Kai, my analysis is too sweet. I don't know. I should be interviewed on BBC and CNN for my analysis. I should be on Bloomberg. So this was where I gave you guys the what's it called, to put a buy limit. As you can see, it's almost just a few pips to it, but it did not trigger. Okay, and this was the last one. GBP CHF is it hits our TP1, our TP2, sorry. Okay, but because of a few my trades is still open on this. I know some of your trades have closed down, but my own is still open. Okay, I've already moved my stop loss to break even. I want to collect these small pips here. I'm positive that this market will definitely get here. Although I've moved my take profit a little bit closer. My take profit now is at 11300. I'll move it like 3 pips, downwards. Okay, I'm confident that definitely the market would, touch there. Okay, so I'm still on this trade. I know some of you, your own have closed out but mine was just 1 pip, I mean, away from my TP. So I'm leaving it. I've not closed it. I want to grab this little. I'm using a very, very big lot size. So this from here to here is it's good money for me, right? So that's it. Let's go. So let's start from Euro GBP. Let me unflag everything. Let's start from Euro GBP again. Let's see what's happening in Euro GBP. So today we're expecting some news events. Let me tell you guys, some news events are coming out. We have 2:30 news. We have another one for 3:45, and we have another one for 4 p.m. Initial jobless claims, global manufacturing PMI, and also have existing home sales, all for January, coming out in a few hours. Okay, but that doesn't stop us from doing our technical analysis. Once your technical analysis is right, most of the time the fundamentals will most probably support your theory. Okay, so that's it. Let's see what's happening on Euro GBP. We are still on a short-term uptrend, which is what I was hoping to capture, but as you can see, my trade was not triggered. Really crazy. My trade was just not triggered. Okay, but however, that would have been a very nice trade. Okay, So, but for now, I will advise that if your own trade did not trigger on Euro GBP, please close it. Okay, close it out, close it out, close it out. It's fine. If your trade did not trigger on Euro GBP, please close it out already. Close it out already, because it has already mopped up the liquidity that we are hoping to enjoy from. So you can actually close it out now. Right. Then secondly, let's look for another trade on, let's say, Euro USD. I'm coming, guys. Let me close my Euro GBP trade. I still have that order open. Okay, let me close it out. Okay, done. All right, so let's do Euro USD. Let's see what's happening on Euro USD. So Euro USD is still on an uptrend. Euro USD is still on an uptrend. Now, this is the next area where we're hoping that, okay, it has already touched that level already. This right here, I was going to mark this level as our next level of amazing liquidity. So we are still on an uptrend on Euro USD, and my interest and my entries would probably be somewhere around here. So I don't think there's any setup, right now on Euro USD, because this market is already looking at like it's overbought. It's looking like it's already overbought, and I will not be entering here. This is too risky to be entering here. I want this market to come back to somewhere around this level. Okay, because if you're using a 4-hour time frame also, you can see that this level is where we have the next we have a support that is looking also like a key level. Okay, it has been tested as both a resistance and as a support also. So this is where I'm interested to enter a trade. So for now, there is nothing to see on Euro USD. Absolutely nothing to see. Okay, if you're buying here, it will be that's too far away. Your stop loss will have to be very far, which is not my style of trading. I don't like this. So for now, we'll move past Euro USD. Okay, now remember how this works. If you have any particular trade you want me to analyze for you, please let me know. If you have any currency pair you want me to analyze for you, I'll be gracious to do that for you. Okay, so let's see GBP USD probably doing the same thing. Same on GBP USD. Same on GBP USD. This is where I'll be interested in entering the trade here. So for now, I'm not any bit interested in entering this trade. Now, let me teach you guys something while we are here. As you guys know, my aim on this channel, one of our goals on this channel is not to become the best signal providers. Of course, our signals are crazy profitable, right? But that's not the goal. The goal on this channel is to help you to become a better trader. Okay, so I want to teach you something that I believe will help some of you here while we are here. Now, this is a regular. I'm coming. Let me do something good. All right, now this is a regular support and resistance. This is what support and resistance looks like, right? Now, according to support and resistance theory, we know that when the market does something like this, you know that when the market comes back to this level right here, you're expecting that the market will actually bounce off from here. Okay, now from experience and from having learned a lot about the Forex market, this is my 8th year of trading, I've learned that most times resistance and turn supports are usually not as strong as previous supports. Now, the probability of this market coming to this level and bouncing off this level, the probability of the market doing this can be, let's say, 50%. Let's say, okay, let me be general. Let's do 60%. Can be 60%. Okay, but you see, when the market does something like this, oh, sorry, let me draw it again. When the market does something like this instead, and then comes back to this previous level, which is a support, the probability of the market pushing up from here will always be higher. The probability of the market pushing up from this level, which is a previous support, is always higher than pushing up from a previous resistance turned support. Now, the probability of this might just be, let's say, a little bit higher, which let's be general, let's say 70%. Okay, but this 70% will do you a lot of good, because this is a mistake I used to make before. I used to take more interest in previous resistance turning support than previous support remaining at support levels. So most times when I see the market coming back to resistance level, and this is where I want to enter trade, but these days, nowadays, I'm not interested in entering trades here. I'm interested in the market coming back to a previous support, and this is where I want to enter a trade. Do you know why that is so? It is so because this place that is the previous support is where most people are likely to put their stop losses. And if you know anything about the market makers, about big banks, they love this kind of levels. This is where they want to come and carry, grab liquidity from. Okay, so anytime people are entering this previous resistance, hoping that it will become a support when the market gets to this level, this is where they are targeting as their stop loss. This is where they want to put stop loss. And guess where the market makers are looking at to grab liquidity from? Where you are putting your stop loss. So that place you're putting your stop losses is where they are coming to take your liquidity before moving the market up. So the tendency of the market reversing from a previous support level is higher than it reversing from a previous resistance turned support. Are you guys learning something? If you learned anything from what I just said, if it made sense to you, type on the chat. Let me know you guys are learning stuff. Am I teaching you something this morning? Are you learning something this morning? If you're learning something, let me know in the chat that you are learning something this morning. If you're learning something, let me know you're learning something, okay? Let me know on the chat. Let me know on the chat. Let me know on the chat that you are learning something. Good. I can see you guys typing learning. Let me know on the chat that you are learning something. Let me know that you guys are learning something. Okay. Okay. I can see you guys typing learning. Amazing. Okay, good. Lesson learned. So let's go ahead. Now, why I'm taking time to do a lot of teaching today is because I know the market has already trended this morning, and it might be a bit difficult to find entries and exits. Okay, it might be a bit difficult to find entries for today's live session. So I want to at least do a lot of teaching. So even if we don't get any entries today, at least you guys learned something, right? So that's I'm doing more of teaching today, because I looked at the chart before coming live. I was fair to tell myself that it will be difficult to get a live signal for you guys. At least maybe we can get pending orders, but for live signals it might be difficult because the market already moved a lot this morning. Okay, somebody said I'm learning, but I didn't get the last explanation. And somebody is asking, so where can we place our stop loss now? Okay, this is a very good question. Let me highlight this question. I'm coming. Let me start this question because I want to attend to this question about stop loss, and I'll have to do another explanation too on this. So I've marked the two questions. Before we end the live session today, I will tell you where to put your stop loss. Okay, so stay on to the end of today's live session. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so I'll show you where to put your stop losses if you are going to be entering the trade at support levels. Okay, so I'll show you where to put your stop losses so that I don't get stopped out, very quick. Okay, let me check on JBPCHF. Okay, my trade is still. I think I'll have to manually close out on this trade now because of where this market is dulling my movement. But let me close out. I'm coming, guys. Let me close out. Let me secure the bag because of where this market is dulling my movement. I'm coming, guys. Let me secure the bag quick. Let me secure this bag. Coming, guys. Let me secure the bag quick. Let me secure this bag. Okay. Close. Okay, bag securely secured. I've secured my bag. No time. Okay, bag All right, so let's go. Let's check on NZD USD. Let's check on NZD USD. Let's see what's happening on NZD USD. NZD USD also, as you can see, the market is already moving. Our entries, if we want any entries on this would have been where we would have loved to enter the market somewhere here. Okay, so the market has already moved. So, and you guys know my style is trend following. I follow trend, and there's no entries here yet. Anything you want to do here now, probably scalping, but I wouldn't like that. Okay, so let's keep going. When I looked at the chart before coming on live here, I was like, today I doubt we'll see any live trading. Okay, so I'll just do more of teaching today. Okay, I'll just do more of teaching today, do more of teaching. So as you can see on the daily time frame on Euro card, the trend has probably changed. This was where our levels, our key levels were. Okay, but we've had a break at close above this level. So the only thing this pair might do again right now would be to probably come back to maybe here and then keep going on. But from what I'm saying, that might take a while. Anything that you want to do on this pair right now, you just need to be careful about this range. Okay, the market can come back to that range, or it might not. Possibly it might, or it might not. So even if you want to scalp from here to here, you just need to be careful. That's all I'm saying. Okay, I know a lot of people that might want to scalp because, of course, this FVG here, this guy between here and here might be some pips up for grabs. Okay, for those that want to scalp, but that's not my style of trading. So I don't do this kind of thing. But I know this gap here might be filled very soon. Okay, so it's a scalping opportunity, but I'm not calling it as a signal for you. If you want to enter it, it's your own. You're on your own. Okay, you're on your own. Okay. Somebody saying I should check GBP. I saw somebody saying GBP NZD. Where did I see GB? I saw somebody saying GBP NZD, right? GBP NZD, yeah, GBP NZD. So let me add. I don't trade GBP NZD, but let me check it. Let's see GBP NZD. Okay, GBP NZD. Let's see. It's looking sweet though. It's looking good though. Okay, NZD is on a momentary downtrend, which is what we're seeing from here all the way down to here. And from my style of trading, I know that this market will likely touch this level here before anything. So with this downtrend can still go a bit, further down. We just need to get an entry, which this would be my entry. Okay, guys, this is looking good. This is where I would love my entries to be. Let me put a moving average. Let's see. Okay, good. So this is where I want my entries to be. If we are going to enter on this trade here, stop loss 29 pips is 80. 80 is 29 pips, so we can do 40 pips as stop loss. 40 pips as stop loss. This is a good trade though. It's looking like a verify. It's a good trade for us to enter using a sell limit. It's even 1:2. Okay, guys, so this is our signal for today. We're going on GBP NZD. Everything is looking good. I've looked at it from, okay, first liquidity grabbing has happened. Hopefully the second one will happen. 4 hour time frame looking good. Guys, they've taken the light. Bobo, on the Vata, sharp. Okay, we're back. Okay, so GBP NZD is looking good for a sell. We're entering this using a sell limit. So you can put your sell limit now. Sell limit at 2.0469. Sell limit 2.0469. I'm entering in on this trade with a pending order. Let me repeat again. Pending order. Pending order. I'm going in with a pending order. Okay. I'm going in with a pending order on GBP NZD. Oh, sorry, guys. GBP NZD. I'm going in with a pending order. Open chat. I mean, the person that recommended this, thanks a lot, man. This is a very good opportunity. We're going in with a sell limit. Sell limit at I'm coming. Let me calculate my lot size first. So calculate your lot size. If you don't know how to calculate lot size and your risk, go to Forex. Type nforex.com/position calculator. That's what I use. I use Forex position calculator. We're risking 40 pips on this GBP NZD. NZD USD is 0.6210. I'm going in 6.03. Okay. 6.03. We're putting a sell limit at 2.04693693. Stop loss is at 24293, right? No. Let me do the mathematics. 469 plus 40 509. Okay. 205093. That's stop loss. Take profits 2.03888. Yeah. All right. Okay. I've entered my sell limit on this. Okay. So let me show you guys my entry. So this is my entry on GBP NZD. I entered at 0. Sell limit at 2.04693, correct? Take profit 2.03888, correct? My stop loss is at 2.05093. All right. So this is my entry on GBP NZD. Okay. Remember, we're entering with pending order, not instant execution. Put a sell limit here. Sell limit here. Sell limit here. All right. And why are we entering this trade? We're entering this trade because we still have some space to the downside on GBP NZD. Okay. We still have this space to the downside. This first target, probably second target will be here. But I'm not interested in this second target. Okay. I just want to grab this little pips here. Okay. So sell limit. That's what we're using. Sell limit, not instant execution. Okay. For somebody now go and enter and say that I said. I did not say anything. Okay. Okay, somebody said I should repeat the entry again. Entry is sell limits. You're putting a pending order. Sell limit 2.04693. Come here, let me type it. Okay. Sell limit GBP NZD. Please, members of the team, type this on the chat too. Okay, 2.04693. SL is 0.05093. TP is 2. This is TP2 3888. TP1 is obviously 1:1. Okay, so that's it. Let me pin it. Good. So that's the GBP sell limit. That's the first order for today. Okay. So let's go. Let's check. If you have any other currency pair you want me to check for you, feel free to type that on the chat. Okay. If you have any other currency pair you want me to check for you, feel free to type down the chat. But for now, let's check on USD card. Let's check on USD card. So for now, USD card is not giving. Okay, nothing interesting to see on USD card. Nothing interesting. USD card, there is nothing to see here too. There's nothing to see on USD card. No setup loading. Okay, I think I might be seeing. Let me remove this moving average so I can see this very well. Okay, so USD card is still on an uptrend. It's still on an uptrend because we're having higher highs and higher lows. Of at least this major higher, this major low here. We've been able to beat above it. Okay, something might actually be happening on USD card. Something might actually be happening on USD card. We've swallowed all this liquidity here. Let me see 15 minutes. I'm tempted to buy on USD card because I know this is the liquidity that these guys are probably targeting, because this is a very key level, key liquidity, in fact. So, okay, we can still use a pending order for this just to be on the safe side. ATR on this is how many pips? ATR on this is 10 pips. So if we're using, just to be safe, let's say 30 pips, 30 pips stop loss. That makes sense. Okay, guys, we are putting a pending order again on USD card. This is our second trade for today. Pending order on USD card. Our pending order on USD card is that 1.3435. Stop loss is 30 pips, and we are targeting. Now remember, we're entering this trade based on analysis on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame I'm still seeing that we are having higher highs and higher lows. This is what I'm seeing here. This was the previous low, previous high. Then we'll have a new low, and we definitely have a new high, another higher high, another higher low, and this is a new high, and we are, very near to this previous low. So I'm hoping that this market will push up, push up from here. Okay, so that said, I'm thinking this market would tap into this liquidity the second time. So that's why I put in a pending order here. Okay, so do your calculations, calculate your stop loss and your take profit, your lot size, sorry. So I'm going in, let me calculate my lot size. I'm calculating my lot size on this. Take profits obviously should be more than this. We can do 1:2 on this particular trade. Okay, we can do 1:2 on this particular trade. So let's go, guys. Calculate your stop loss and your take profit. I'm tempted to add like 5 more pips to this stop loss. Let me see. Let's see what 5 pips. Okay, guys, add 5 pips to your stop loss. 35 pips stop loss is what we'll be using. Okay. So calculate your lot size. Calculate your lot size, guys. Calculate your lot size. Calculate your lot sizes. Calculate your lot sizes. Daniel Ekunife said, I respect your trading strategy, boss, but it goes against everything I've learned from my mentor. Now, you will know on this channel, I've told you guys multiple times on this channel. Now, you need to know this. There are multiple ways to make money from the Forex market. There is no one strategy out there that is the best. Every strategy has win rate. It all depends. Your mentor's strategy, I don't know who your mentor is, but his strategy can also be correct. I'm not here to compete with your mentor. I don't care who he is. if it's making money, fine. You understand? I'm making money also. So at the end of the day, what we want to do is to make money. I don't care whose strategy is better. Whether a mental strategy is better, I don't know, and I don't care. I just want to make money. I've said it here many times on this channel, and I want to say it again. Who get money past me no concern me. I just want to make my own money. You understand? My strategy is working and I'm making money from it. That's all I care. You understand? I'm not here to do back who is the best mentor. I know they follow that kind. I know they play that kind of rubbish play. You understand? I mean, I don't pass that level. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so your mentor can actually still be correct. So I'm not saying you don't need to switch mentors. Whoever your mentor is, excellent. Okay, if the strategy is working for you and you're making money with it, please go ahead with it. That's the main thing. You understand? At the end of the day, we want to make money. It's money we're looking for, right? So it's okay if it doesn't tally with what your mentor teaches you. You understand? I'm not here to compare with anybody. Okay, I know saying I just want to make money and I'm making the money. So who get money past me, no really concern me. Okay. All right. So back to what we're doing. So our trade we're using a buy limit. We're entering this trade with a buy limit here. We're entering this with a buy limit here. Buy limit USD card. 35 pips. Remember our stop loss is 35 pips. Okay. USD card 1.3451, 1.3541, 1.3451. Okay. 35 pips and 5.76. Okay, so I'm calculating my lot size. So please do the same. Do the same for yourself. 5.776. Buy limit USD card. Buy limit USD card. Buy limit, not instant execution. Buy limit. Okay. Buy limit at 1.34357. Okay. 1.34007 stop loss. Take profit 1.34998. 34998. Okay, good. Okay, I'm in on this trade. Fantastic. No, this is good. I'm in on this trade, guys. I'm in on this trade. Buy limits USD card. My entry level is at, let me type it out. My entry level is at 1.34357. My profit is at 1.34998. And my stop loss is at 1.34007. Okay. That's 35 pips stop loss. Okay. So this is my entry on USD card. So you can do that for yourself too. Okay. Okay, yeah, Daniel. Good to. I'm not saying you're actually comparing though. I'm just saying. I'm just like generally teaching. So I'm not saying you're actually comparing. No. Okay, if you're actually comparing, you probably not be here. You probably be, on your own mentors, live trading or wherever. I don't know. So I'm not accusing you of. I'm just teaching. Okay. All right. So Euro CHF, Euro CHF. Let's see. Euro CHF is definitely on an uptrend, and no, nothing to do here. Nothing to do here because we are already approaching this major key level. Okay, so anything can happen here. This until we know what is about to happen here. I would advise that you just leave this, just ignore Euro CHF for now, until we know how the market responds to this key level. This has been tested. I mean, this is a major support level, and it was a major resistance level here. Also, if you've not watched my video on key levels, okay, it's one of the videos. I can't remember the name. I think what the name of that video is what millionaire traders know about support and resistance or something. I think the thumbnail has a very funny thumbnail. These guys, came up with. I can't remember. 13, only 3 traders know this. I mean, only 13 traders know this or something. Yeah, it's a very catchy, clickbait, but it's a very amazing video. If you not watch it on this channel, please go and watch it after now. So you understand when I say key level, you understand what I mean. And when I say resistance level or support level, you actually know what I mean. Okay, so you're not lost, right? Let's check on NZD-CHF. Okay, nothing to see here. Nothing to see on NZD-CHF. Just a towering uptrend. Let's see Euro JPY. Nothing to see also. Nothing to see also on Euro JPY. Our entries would be somewhere here. So the market is far away from where we would have loved to put entries. So no need. GBP JPY, same. NZD JPY, same. Okay, so there's nothing else to see. The only trade we've entered 2 trades so far, which is USD CAD and GBP NZD. These are the 2 trades we've entered with pending orders. Okay, I'm hoping to see how it plays out. Okay, GBP CHF. GBP CHF have come to now. I now closed out quick. Okay, that's fine. All right, so let me see whether I can just answer. There was this question 2 people asked me, and let me see whether I can actually answer those 2 questions. So the 2 questions were so Ekomobong Isemin was asking, so where do I put my stop losses? Remember I told you a few minutes ago that you should respect previous support levels than previous resistance level if you're looking for where retracements will actually end. And this is what I meant by that for some of you that maybe joined a little bit later. So I'm saying that when you see the market do something like this, okay, let me draw this well. Let me draw this better. When you see the market do something like this, and the market once comes back to this level, okay, which is a previous resistance, you're hoping that it becomes a support so that you can buy here. Okay, so what I'm saying is that when this happens, when something like this happens, you should be more interested in the market obeying this previous level of support here. There are more probabilities that the market will obey this support here, okay, than that it will obey this previous resistance turned support here. Okay, so what I'm saying is anytime you see something like this 1, 2, 3 move happen, be on the lookout on the market retracing from this level instead of this level. This is general. This is just my own experience. So you understand, for some people, I don't know how it works for them. It used to work for me like this, but I found out that paying more attention to this level than this level gives me higher win rates. Okay, so I pay more attention to this support level right now than actually this level. Okay, so what I'm saying is when you are now putting your stop loss here, let's say you want to go in for a buy. You want to go in for a buy here. Now, how I put my stop loss is I use ATR. Some of you don't know what is ATR. ATR is called an average true range. That's the name. That's the full name. ATR means average true range. What an ATR does is that an ATR helps you to measure the volatility in the market. How many pip candle volatility is happening in the market? For instance, God, do I have time to explain this ATR? But let me try, Let me try. So look at this value here. This value here is the ATR. Is an indicator. Is on everywhere. You can get it from whatever, whatever charting platform broker you're using. Okay, they have something called ATR. ATR measures, as you can see, the values are changing as I'm swiping from candle to candle, from candle to candle, values are changing. So at this level now, the ATR there, as you can see, is 11 pips, 0.0011. So this is the normal, pip calculation that you understand. So it calculates ATR in pips. You understand? So when you see 0.0011, that means 11 pips. Okay. This is, look at what I'm looking at. Okay. See what I'm looking, this place I'm moving my cursor. I don't know how else to highlight it. Okay. If I come closer, to block it. Okay. So this is the value. Okay. So as we've moved the cursor to the most, the most happening candle, as you can see, showing me that ATR is 11 pips, and I'm using ATR 14 period. 14 period ATR means that it's calculating the average true range of the last 14 candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me make it bigger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So from here, from this 14th candle, which is, where did I even count? Is it here? From here all the way to here, this whole entire area, this whole place, this whole entire area. Okay. The ATR is calculating the range of all these candles. Okay, it will do multiplication and then do addition and division, kind of. So the average range of all these candles here is 11 pips. You understand? Now, how does this help you? It helps you because it shows you on the worst market volatility spike, the market, as if, for instance, let's say a news event comes out or something happens in the market and the market spikes, the average range of that spike would be 11 pips. You understand? So why I use ATR is it helps you to avoid volatility spikes that can stop you out in the market, stop you out. You understand? That can easily stop you out when the market does maybe something like this, zigzag, and just stops you out and then start moving your direction. When you see the market do something like this, stops you out and then start moving your direction, most of the time is because they did not use ATR for stop loss. So what I do is I calculate the ATR, which is on this trade now is 11 pips. Okay, 11 pips. I now add double of it. Sometimes I add 3 times of it. If it's on a day where I know that maybe a news event is coming out later in the day, I double the ATR. So for instance, I know that ATR now is 11 pips. My stop loss will never be less than 22 pips. So once I've calculated double of the ATR, okay, sometimes I add a little bit of leverage to it. You understand? So this is it now. Now this is where we entered this trade on GBP CHF yesterday. I told them to enter the trade here, okay, and my ATR, I used the ATR. The ATR as of yesterday was even like 7 pips, 7 or 8 pips. So this 21 pips stop loss was 3 times the ATR. So you can see when the market came in, it just tapped into our liquidity. It didn't stop us out, it didn't even get close to our stop loss, and then started moving to take profit. You understand it? So as much as possible, pay attention to ATR. I use ATR a lot, and it helps me to avoid a lot of people when they get stopped out easily on trades, stuff like that. Just to avoid all those kind of unnecessary stress, man, just use ATR. Just use ATR, okay? It will help you to avoid a lot of rubbish happening in the market. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something. If you learned something, let me know. Let me know if you learned something today. Let me know on the chat if you learned something amazing from today's live session. I think we're done today because, like I said, we've entered 2 trades. For those of you that don't know, that just joined, we've entered 2 trades. We entered 2 trades already. We entered a trade on USD CAD with a pending order, and we also entered a trade on GBP NZD. Okay, so for those of you that are just coming in, you probably have missed out on that, but we'll hopefully we'll send you the signal again on the WhatsApp groups. Okay, so please make sure you're on the WhatsApp group and you are on the Telegram channel. If you're not on the Telegram channel, let me give you the link to the Telegram channel. https t.me. Please join the Telegram group. Okay, join the Telegram group so that you don't miss out of all the signals we are giving for free here. Basically, we do a lot of free things here. Of course, we have paid channel where, you know, if you want to learn Forex, like learn the exact strategy that I use. You know, sometimes, most times, I don't try to go in depth into explaining my strategy because that will not be nice. That will not be fair to people that paid to access our training. So I try to limit. I just give you either the setup. I don't tell you why most of the time. So, but if you want to learn how, like from what is Forex, even if you don't know anything about Forex, we have a mentorship program right now that we're thinking of doing a discount on it right now because of, you know, what dollar is doing. A lot of people, I mean, people are suffering. People are really suffering. So I discussed that briefly with a few members of my team. You know, we're just thinking of doing a discount for people so that, you know, a lot of you can join. Because sincerely speaking, I feel the pain for a lot of people that are not earning in dollars right now, and I really want to do that discount to help a lot of people to learn with us from scratch and learn how to make money, you know, in dollars for themselves. From scratch. So we'll probably do that discount for you guys, maybe today or maybe within the weekend. So that would give you guys the opportunity to join, you know, fully and gain all our signals, all our setups. This is just I come on here live to trade to you guys only once a week, but we do it 3 times. Generally, we do it 3 times on the Cash Club mentorship program, our Forex mentorship program. On Saturdays, Sundays, I give them my analysis for the week. I record video and I share it with them. And then on on Tuesdays, we also trade with them on Google Meet. You can unmute yourself, ask questions. And then on Thursdays also, we come live here, which is general trading sessions with everyone. So consider joining the mentorship training group. It will help you a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay. So I love you guys. I wish you all the best. Please make sure you've liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up before. It's not fair. How about if you enjoy all this value, give this video a thumbs up before you go. Give the video a thumbs up and drop a positive comment. Share the video. So goodbye, guys. See you guys again next Thursday. And for our mentorship program, guys, see you guys on Saturday. Okay. So I love you guys. Keep trading. I wish you all the very best. I'm hoping and I'm praying for you that dollar will not affect you. And just like it's not affecting some of us. Okay. So I'm hopeful that it doesn't affect you too. Okay. So goodbye, everyone. Love you. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Goodbye.